I'm glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the BMW X5 from the F15 generation, produced between 2013 and 2018. This luxury SUV has earned a reputation for its powerful performance and sophisticated design, making it a favorite among British drivers who crave a blend of comfort and sportiness on the UK's winding roads. However, like many high-end vehicles, it comes with its share of reliability issues that potential buyers should know about. Let us start with the most common and frequently encountered problems, as per owner reports and mechanic insights. One of the biggest headaches for X5 owners is the timing chain guides, which tend to wear out prematurely, especially in models with the N55 or N63 engines. This can lead to rattling noises, reduced engine performance, and in worst cases, complete engine failure if not addressed promptly. The timing chain issue often stems from the plastic guides degrading over time, particularly if the vehicle has not had regular oil changes. Many owners report this problem surfacing around 80,000 to 100,000 miles, and repairs can cost upwards of £2,000 at a specialist garage in the UK. On the positive side, when functioning well, the engine delivers exhilarating acceleration and smooth power delivery, making long motorway journeys a pleasure. Another prevalent weak point is the water pump, which has a tendency to fail earlier than expected in these models. The electric water pumps can overheat or leak, causing coolant loss and potential engine overheating, which is a nightmare on busy British motorways like the M25. Replacement typically sets you back around £500 to £800, including labour, but catching it early during an MOT can save you from more expensive damage. Despite these flaws, the X5's all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction in the UK's often rainy conditions, enhancing safety and confidence behind the wheel. Owners praise its spacious interior and advanced infotainment, which make it ideal for family road trips to the Lake District or daily commutes in London. However, neglecting the water pump can lead to warped cylinder heads, pushing repair bills into the thousands. Suspension components also deserve mention among common troubles, with air suspension leaks being a frequent complaint in higher-spec models. These leaks can cause the ride height to drop unevenly, leading to a bumpy experience on pothole-ridden British roads. Repairs might involve replacing airbags or compressors, costing between £1,000 and £2,000, but the adaptive suspension does offer a luxurious ride when everything is in order. The good news is that the X5's build quality shines through in its durable chassis and responsive handling, which make it a joy to drive on twisty country lanes. Fuel efficiency, while not class-leading, is respectable for a large SUV, with diesel variants achieving around 35 miles per gallon on highways. Still, owners should budget for higher road tax due to its emissions profile in the UK. Electrical gremlins pop up occasionally, such as faulty sensors in the parking assist or infotainment system glitches that require software updates. These issues are often resolved under warranty or at BMW dealerships for a few £100s, but they can be frustrating for tech-savvy drivers. On the upside, the iDrive system is intuitive and integrates well with Apple CarPlay in later models, adding modern convenience. Transmission problems, though less common, can arise in the 8-speed automatic gearbox, with some owners experiencing shuddering or delayed shifts. This is often linked to fluid degradation, and a flush plus filter change might cost £400. The gearbox's smoothness when healthy contributes to the X5's refined driving dynamics, rivaling competitors like the Range Rover Sport. Brake wear is accelerated in these heavy SUVs, with pads and discs needing replacement every 20,000 to 30,000 miles, depending on driving style. In urban UK settings with stop-start traffic, this can add up to £500 per axle. However, the braking system provides strong, confident stopping power, which is crucial for safety on wet roads. Interior quality holds up well, but some report creaking dashboards or worn leather seats after high mileage. These cosmetic issues are minor compared to mechanical woes, but can detract from the premium feel. Positively, the cabin's ergonomics and comfort make it a standout for long-distance travel across the British Isles. Fuel system vulnerabilities, especially in petrol models, include high-pressure pump failures that cause starting issues or power loss. Repairs can exceed £1,000, but the engine's overall responsiveness and torque make the X5 a thrilling drive. Regular servicing at authorized centers helps mitigate this. Exhaust gas recirculation valves can clog, leading to reduced performance and higher emissions, which might fail the UK's strict MOT tests. Cleaning or replacement costs around £300, yet the system's efficiency aids in better fuel economy. Owners appreciate the low-end grunt for overtaking on A roads. Tire wear is notably quick due to the vehicle's weight and performance-oriented setup, with a set of premium tires costing over £800. This is a trade-off for the excellent grip and stability in corners. The X5's dynamic prowess often outweighs this for enthusiasts. Battery drain from electronic modules can leave you stranded, especially in cold UK winters. A new battery might set you back £200, but the advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control enhance everyday usability. Reliability improves with proactive maintenance. Oil leaks from valve cover gaskets are not uncommon, potentially leading to engine bay messes and costly cleanups. Addressing this early costs a few £100s and preserves the engine's longevity. The X5's engineering excellence shines in its balanced ride and handling. Cooling system hoses can degrade, causing leaks similar to the water pump issues. Replacement is straightforward but adds to ownership costs at around £200. The overall thermal management supports the car's performance credentials. In terms of value, a used F15 X5 can be found for £15,000 to £30,000, depending on mileage and condition, offering luxury at a fraction of new prices. Its resale value holds strong in the UK market, thanks to BMW's brand prestige. However, factor in higher insurance premiums due to its desirability. Safety features are robust, with high Euro NCAP ratings, providing peace of mind for families. Airbag systems and stability control work flawlessly in most cases. Minor recalls for things like fuel pumps have been issued, so check with BMW. Off-road capability is decent for light trails, though it's more of a road-biased SUV. Muddy farm tracks in rural Britain are manageable with the xDrive system. This versatility appeals to adventurous owners. Fuel economy varies by engine. The 3.0 diesel offers the best at around 40 miles per gallon combined. Petrol variants are thirstier, impacting running costs with UK fuel prices. Efficiency tech like auto start-stop helps in traffic. Cargo space is generous at over 500 litres, perfect for weekend getaways or shopping in Tesco. The split tailgate adds practicality. Fold-flat seats expand versatility for larger loads. Technology integration, while advanced, can suffer from outdated software in early models. Updates at dealerships cost a couple of £100 but modernize the experience. The heads-up display is a highlight for safe driving. Ride comfort is excellent on motorways but can feel firm over urban potholes. Adjustable dampers in M Sport packages allow customization. This suits drivers who value both luxury and sportiness. Exterior durability holds up against UK weather, with minimal rust issues. Paint quality is high, resisting chips from road debris. Regular washing preserves the sleek lines. In conclusion, the BMW X5 F15 is a compelling choice for affluent families or executives who prioritize performance, luxury and versatility in their daily drives across the UK. It suits those willing to invest in regular maintenance to avoid the pitfalls of its engine and cooling system weaknesses, offering a rewarding ownership experience for enthusiasts. However, if you prefer hassle-free reliability, you might look elsewhere, as this car's sophistication comes with a price in potential repair bills. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.